seconds to pick a fun new name for your animal. Enter your birthday and tell us if you are a boy or a girl. Then create a unique username and password for your account. Ask a parent for help if you need to.
Welcome to your new home! My name is Peck, and I'd like to show you around. Follow me! Here in Jama, everyone has their own unique style. Let's start by customizing yours. You can choose and combine lots of different colors. You can change the shape and color of your eyes. And you can create lots of different colorful patterns. Why don't you give it a try? When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to exit. When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to exit. Everyone seems to love the new you. How do you feel about it? I know just what you mean. Hey, look! Free stuff! Wow! Look at all those gems! How many did you find? Wow, you sure are lucky. You'll find more fun ways to get gems as you explore Jama, along with lots of places to spend them. You'll also find lots of games, adventures, shops, and even parties. I think you're ready to explore on your own. This way, to Jama! Welcome to your den, your own place in Jama to call home. Of course, no den is complete until it is decorated. Click on the Edit button to see your den items.